DEERC DE22 GPS Drone with 4K camera 2-axis gimbal, EIS anti-shake, 5G FPV live video brushless motor, auto return home, selfie, follow me, waypoints, circle fly 52-minute flight with carry case. 2-axis gimbal and EIS. The gimbal and EIS technology reduces blurring, provides better image stability. You can create 4K/30 FPS videos with impressive stable and clear footage than any other drones in this sector. 5 GHz support up to 3,900 feet FPV transmission, delivers live feed with zero latency. 4K UHD camera 5x zoom, DE22 offers 4K Ultra HD image, 3840x2160p, with stunning clarity and deep contrast. Built-in Sony image sensor, 100-degree FOV and 80 degrees adjustable lens capturing a wider and clear view. 5x zoom gives you a closer look at a distance to get more creative shots. Enjoyable design. Come with 2 intelligent batteries, support up to 52 minutes flight. Foldable design along with a carry case makes it a perfect companion for your journey. The brushless motor can resist 5 level, provide you a stable and powerful fly experience. Easy and safe to fly. With functions of altitude hold, 1 key start and emergency stop, DE22 is more accessible to users. GPS positioning and auto return, RTH, function prevent your drone lose in any situation, automatically fly back, even fly out of control. Intelligent and fun, features with follow me, free your hands to take complex shots, waypoints and circle fly let the drone automatically fly with a customized route, make aerial photography easier than ever.